Manufacturing ready. Proceed with fuselage module assembly. Data confirmed. Production on schedule.
Chris, stop the rotation right there. I need a closer look at that section.
Stopping now. Do you see an issue?
No, just verifying the layup sequence. Looks good. We can proceed.
Curing cycle initiated. Alignment check complete. All coordinates are within tolerance levels. Data uploaded to the main server.
SPAR 3, alignment certified. Pass. All clear.
Keep the pressure steady on the starboard side. Platform 3, move up 20 feet. We need that inspection signed off by noon. Full tension, ready.
Confirmed clear path to the jig. Proceed.
Alignment locked. Tolerance green.
Torque nominal. Move to next station.
Sealant prep complete, section 4. Torque set to specification. Move to section D.
Slowly, slowly, hold.
Torque check 3, 2 nominal. Set 0 tolerance. Surface 0 tolerance. Check for pinholes.
Bundle 6 alpha confirmed length. Checking routing diagram.
Full, easy now, secure at rib 17. That's it.
H stab clear for transport.
Internal clearance nominal, section A4.
Coating thickness check, section Bravo.
All clear. Tension check complete.
Clear left. We are passing station 4. Continue movement.
Center line verified. Ready for frame installation.
Torque check nominal. Move to center line.
Quality check on section 7 complete. No anomalies detected. Requesting clearance for transport continuation.
5 centimeters to go. Easy on the after right.
The alignment is perfect. We are within the required tolerance.
Confirmed. Preparing the next phase.
Acknowledged. Measurement complete. Gap reads 3.500 millimeters within tolerance.
Torque nominal. Hold.
5 millimeters to go. Hold. Perfect.
Actuator 2 secured. Checking sensor feedback on channel 4.
Confirmed alignment is green. Maintain current speed. Copy that. Speed holding steady.
Torque verified. Frame set to 0 tolerance.
Hydraulic line clear to connect. Pin set.
Pin secured.
Sedia.
Drop the alignment pins.
Semua tuh.
Row 15 clear. Move to the ceiling. Latch integrity clear. Module ready for hoist.
Yes.
Center line verified. Lock in at rib 30. Bus A check. Pin integrity confirmed. Data port connection complete. Testing intercom line.
Pin locked. Check plumbing access points.
Roller track alignment clear. Section 2 locked.
Rail 4 complete. Torque check verified.
Routing check D4. Tubing secured.
Sealant clearance check. Connection made. Rack security check. Vertical alignment clear.
Duct seal integrity check. Flow rate target confirmed.
Torque set. Flight deck side.
Port 7 sealed. Final pressure lock check.
Pressure stabilized at Delta 1.0. Holding.
Keep it steady at 0.5 meters per second.
All green on this section, David. Rivet placement looks precise.
Copy that, control room, we are proceeding.
Docking alignment achieved. 0 tolerance confirmed.
All systems nominal. Final mating sequence initiated. Full closure. All systems green.
Bolt 14 seated. Start manual torque.
Panel Bravo 1. Position verified. 0 step.
System green. Line 4 clear. Double check tag.
Flap movement nominal, 0 deviation. Interfaces clear. Ready for strut delivery.
Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Door cycle test complete. 0 binding.
Main bus online. Online.
Pylon target clear. 5 centimeters to go.
Torque verified. Pylon set.
AGV proceeding to station 4. Clear the path.
Confirmed. The data stream is stable.
Left forward, slow lift. Steady, steady.
Green line pressure check. Green line curd. Safety pin set.
Nose gear down lock pin verified.
Hydraulic lines ready.
Main gear downlock confirmed. Cycle complete.
Looks aligned.
Module 4C seated. Starting power test.
Port 4B connected. Link light active. Moving to the next sequence.
Display 2 set.
Rudder travel check, clear.
Yeah.
Throttle range clear. Final mounting secured.
Bottle secured. Line pressure check initiated. System blue pump secure. Checking line seal integrity.
Clearance is good on the left side. Bring it in slowly.
Three feet to docking point. Steady ascent.
Mounting point 3 clear. Start torque sequence.
Sequence complete.
Cowling secured. Seam tolerance checked. Inlet alignment check.
Sealant strip next.
Harness check complete. Thrust command circuit online. Radar feed secured. Checking azimuth alignment.
RAT, hydraulic lines green. Release mechanism nominal.
Row 15 complete. Final bolt check.
Pivot probe secure. Safety cover applied.
Locked. Galley locked. Power main check.
Aisle alignment, 0 deviation. Carpet line set.
Bus 1 check. Height P3 check. GPU connected. Power on.
Lighting sequence test, all colors nominal.
Roll common nominal. Control law integrity, check complete. Ignition sequence armed. Clear to spool.
Idle parameters confirmed. Temperature is nominal.
Check the alignment on that joint right there.
Looks solid, eh? Hydraulics are holding steady.
And the doors are perfectly flush.
Jig clear. Chocks in place.
Window line 3.5. 0 tolerance on the edge.
Control, this is Hangar 12. Cleaning sequence is nominal. Moving to phase 2.
Stencil set. 0 bubbles on the edge.
Tow bar secure. Bypass pin engaged.
Tug, you are clear of the hangar on the left. Roger, roger. Confirm if there's a still lane clear right. Rolling on Charlie.
Flight controls checked. Hydraulics set.
Gear bay clear. No fluid leaks. No fluid leaks reported.
Flight controls checked. Hydraulics set. All green. Oxygen mask check.
Confirmed.